Destroy the competition with the CYBERPOWERPC Gamer Xtreme VR series of gaming desktops. The Gamer Xtreme VR series features the latest generation of high-performance Intel Core processors and ultra-quick DDR RAM to easily handle system-intensive tasks, such as high-definition video playback and gaming. Coupled with powerful discrete video cards, the Gamer Xtreme series provides a smooth gaming and multimedia experience. Current selection: 600W parts, reasonably good brands in my unit build, good cable management performance, system is very powerful, pushes many titles at 2K on high, ultra, sunk, freezing quirk, great sound, quiet system, even with fans on max. No GPU drivers or utilities installed by default. Firmware update was required to get proper CPU speed boosts working. No extra cables or screws to add new drives. This is an amazing PC with great components for the price. I got it on a Black Friday deal and I am really happy with it. It is definitely recommended. 2,333 people bought this CYBERPOWERPC Gamer Xtreme VR gaming PC and gave an average rating of 4.5 out of 5, which is quite impressive thing to know. So why not you guys buy it now? Link will provided in the description of the video. Lol.